My name is Dave Keeley. I go to Dr. Childers for two treatments. One is chelation treatment, and the other is the bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. I was with the railroad for 41 years, and I was kind of worried about heavy metal exposure over those years. So I had heart operation about 12 years ago, and I had a lot of clogged arteries. So one of the things that I was concerned about was heavy metal in my arteries, and chelation therapy is supposed to be able to clear that out. So I started with chelation therapy, and then the doctor ordered lab work done. And during the lab work, when the numbers came back, he showed me that my testosterone was down around 220. It's supposed to be above 300 up to 1,000, so it was below what it should be. So he suggested I get the hormone replacement therapy, and that was back in June. I received the first treatment. For the hormone replacement therapy, my energy level's way up. I noticed about, I guess, 2 or 3 weeks after I got the first treatment, it was summertime. I have a pretty big yard, and I do all my own yard work and things like that. And I just noticed that, you know, when I was doing a lot of yard work for hours on end, I didn't seem to have any sort of fatigue, you know. And so I've noticed that my energy level's up. One of the things that I've noticed, I'm 63 years old, so you know, you start to get you know, a little brain fog, things like that. I noticed that went away, so that was a pretty positive effect. Like I said, those are the two significant changes that I noticed in myself. I've recommended Dr. Childers and his practice to several friends of mine, old fellows, you know, my age and even a little bit older, who have been, you know, especially the energy levels and the brain fog issues. So yeah, like I said, I would recommend this to anyone, and especially if you're, like I said, if you have things that you're not happy with about your life, Dr. Childers' practice is the answer for that.